is saying, would you please let him finish?
Well, the difficulty about Fianna Fáil.
Sorry, would you stay quiet?
Fianna Fáil and Sinn Féin broke with tradition this time and didn't send their pre-budget submissions for evaluation. So the figures.
Thank you. Sorry. There's a time limit here, and time is nearly up. Would you please stay quiet?
The figures. If my name was Cowen, I'd stay quiet in this debate.
Would you please stay quiet? Thank you. Sorry, Minister, we're over time now. I understand that Deputy Rabbitte would like to correct the record.
Yeah, Can Corlia, in the heat of exchanges with Deputy Cowen, I made a remark which I regret, and I want to withdraw. I knew Deputy Brian Cowen better than most in this House. I had a lot of regard for the fact that, like his father before him, he did his public service in this House according to his own lights. And I regret the remark I made, and I want to withdraw it on the record.
Thank you.